Hi, this is your one and only favorite herbalist, QGREEN, and we are going to talk about your herb for today. Now, this particular herb for today, I chose because I did use it in my last video, which was maybe like 3 videos down. When I cut my finger, I was at the creek, and yeah, I had used the herb called AGRIMONY. So we're going to talk about the AGRIMONY herb. Now, the AGRIMONY herb, it is very, very good for colic, diarrhea, digestive disorders, jaundice, oral thrush, enlarged hearts, nose bleeding, kidney diseases, ulcers, wounds, varicose veins, sore throats, piles, which is hemorrhoids, allergies, aging, acid reflux, asthma, bronchitis, eczema, blood impurity, bloating, blemishes, gout, infections, hepatitis D, pain, skin disorders, skin rashes, ovarian cancer, liver cancer, internal bleeding, urinary tract infections, wounds, acne, blemishes, high blood pressure, low blood pressure. Now, the action of the AGRIMONY, it is antibacterial. It is a anti-inflammatory agent. It is a liver tonic. It is a sedative. It is a stimulant, an antiviral. It is a digestive. It's a detox. It's a blood thinner. It's a liver tonic, a sedative, antiviral. Now, do not take this if you are taking any medication for liver diseases, kidney diseases, diabetes, high blood pressure, low blood pressure, any medication, period. Ask your doctor first. Do not just up and think you're going to just, take it. You can't do that with any herb. Always ask, because that particular medication may be in the same medication that you're taking. So it can double the dosage that you are currently taking. So that is why it is such a big deal not to do that. Now, the nutrients in the AGRIMONY is essential oil, the iron, the vitamin B, vitamin K, vitamin C. Now, do not take if you are pregnant or if you are breastfeeding. That is not recommended. Allergic reaction can happen due to fresh AGRIMONY. I'm about to show you guys some because I think I see some actually. Now, let me see. Don't know if that's it or not. Actually, yeah. I want to say no. No, that is not it. That's not it. That's not it. So, I will show you guys when I go to another creek, and then you will see what it looks like. But the AGRIMONY herb, it is good for, it helps to freshen your breath. It soothes your sore gums and like mouth ulcers. It's a good herb for athlete's foot. It lowers the levels of the blood sugar. So that's why it's good for people to have diabetes. But it's not recommended if you're already taking medication for it. It reduces excess formation of bile in your gallbladder. So that is why it's excellent for people that have liver cancer, because it removes the bile that you have blocked there. And when your bile duct gets blocked, that's what causes bile cancer or liver cancer, because that's pretty much, it's a bunch of bacteria stuck in your bile duct, and that's how your liver fails. And then when your liver fails, of course the kidney's going to eventually fail. So you want to get that under control. So yes, AGRIMONY, it does help that. It's an antioxidant, so it does slows down the aging process. For those who have wrinkles, the dark spots, issues far as you're aging, it does help with that. It helps those to deal with mood swings. So it'll help, maybe make you guys a little bit happier or something. Now, the AGRIMONY tea is effective for infections and inflammations. Now, why the tea on the inside, when you take it on the inside, it helps as far as, let's say you had inflammation in your lungs. It will help that. It will help inflame lungs, all of that stuff. So don't think that this stuff just does not work. It really works. It's good for treating bladder infections, urinary tract infections. It helps expels intestinal worms, parasites, and just so those who do not know, STDs are parasites. It helps those that have acid reflux. You can take 2 cups of that a day. For diarrhea, you can take like up to 6 cups a day. I think I'm done, you guys. Oh, and also, you can use it for eye wash because it does help conjunctivitis, which is an eye infection for those who get eye infections a lot. It does help conjunctivitis. Now, your herb today was the AGRIMONY herb, and again, if you did really want to see it, you can look at my other videos, like a few videos down, to see what it looks like, because I used it on the cut because I had cut myself. And by it being really good for skin diseases, those who have eczema, you can actually get a bunch of fresh leaves and then boil them, and then when you boil them, use the water that you use to boil them the same, and that's a real strong decoction. Make sure it's really strong, and then you pour it in your bath water and soak in it. So that'll help those with skin diseases because it'll help towards the infections. Now, this is QGREEN, and thanks for watching me. Bye-bye.